Buddy, here we are, buddy, fishing with Gibbo again. How are you? Buddy, we're at the bloody Plenty Railway Bridge. Probably about, I don't know, 5 or 6k out Norfolk. Bloody nice hot day. Buddy, I'll give you a quick look around, mate, eh? It's bloody quite nice. Have a look. Obviously, there's my kayak, of course. The king size esky. It holds a carton and a half and all your meat and stuff, which I'll be having later. Anyway, have a quick squeeze. There's the old railway bridge over there. Hang on, a bit of advertisement. When I go trout fishing, I drink Cascade Draft. Oh my godfather, geez, that's great. Anyway, back to what I was talking about. There it is, the old railway bridge. I don't know if you can hear it, there's some rapids. I had to bloody drag my kayak up through that. Bloody anyway, here we go. I don't know if I showed you, I'm half pissed. There's bloody setup. Big esky, couple of rods, day bag, all my shit, all my food and that. Battle trannies in the background. And over there's my hammock. Just got it the other day off eBay. Mate, she's a pearler too. Hey, better than those Thai ones too that you get from Thailand. Anyway, yeah, that's my setup. I'll get a fire happening later. Alright. Well, that's that. Alright, I'll see you all after, alright? Oh, hang on. Oh, yeah, crikey, that's nice. Bye.